Hi y'all, just doing a real quick video on some quick dinner ideas. Now what I do on Sundays, normally I make barbecue and then I have it so that instead of eating a lunch and a dinner, it's lunch and dinner. So we're gonna eat this for lunch, and then for dinner we'll make us another plate and we'll eat the rest of it. So what I have here is some pork here, and I'm not sure what kind of pork it is, but it's pork. It's barbecue pork. And then right here we have some Brussels sprouts. And what I did was I just sliced them, and then I put olive oil on it, onion powder, garlic powder on it, and I just threw it in and I roasted it for around 30 minutes at 400 degrees, 400 or 425. And then I made some macaroni here. Now what I did is I mixed, this is more whole wheat macaroni than it is regular macaroni. I kind of mixed the two, but it's more whole wheat than the white pasta. So anyway, this is what we have for lunch and dinner. We're just going to eat it throughout the day. So we have pork here, again, barbecue pork, and then we have some Brussels sprouts, and then we have some macaroni. So this is just one of the places for one of the little ones, and just giving ideas. And as always, before I go, I know we're going through some trying times right now, but let's just all make sure we keep everyone in prayer, and let's just keep praying and have faith and know that God's going to be able to work everything on out. So I pray all is well for everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and take care, and definitely God bless.